Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use JIRA as a project management tool. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your computer browser and head on to the JIRA website. That is actually atlassian.com. I know it's a bit weird, but that's how it is. Or you can just simply go to the search bar and type on JIRA, and as you can see, atlassian.com, that is JIRA, is right here. So JIRA is a proprietary issue tracking product developed by Atlassian that allows bug tracking and agile project management. So basically, it is a project management software or project management tool. Now to get started, all you have to do is to click on Get It Free right here. And as you can see right here, these are each product on a free plan. So the free plan we currently have supports up to 10 users or 3 agents, includes 2 gigabytes of storage, offers community support, and is always free. And the best thing about this is you don't need a credit card, so you can actually have a free plan. Now on the second part right here is to select a second product. So you have Confluence right here, which is basically you need to add context to your projects with a single source of truth for product requirements, release notes, and documentation. So keep that in mind. And the next is the JIRA Service Management. So this is a high velocity ITSM. So this empowers devs, IT ops, and business teams to collaborate at high velocity so they can respond to changes and deliver great service experience. So for now, we will not dig into this deeper. This is just a simple overview of JIRA. And if you want to select any of this, just click on any of that. So for now, we'll not click on any of that. So we'll go to next right here. Now, next, once you have done that, you have the option to continue with Google, or you want to select or enter your work email. So for now, I'm just gonna continue with Google right here. And I'm gonna choose the Google account that I want to sign up to Atlassian. So I'm just gonna click on this account right here. And as you can see, it says create your account, so make sure to double check your email address and of course your full name. So if you want to read the terms and services of Atlassian JIRA, you can actually do that. And next is to just simply hit on create your account. And as you can see right here, it will now lead us to this page right here. We will now name our site. So basically you can name anything or anything that you want. So for now, let's just say testing demo 12.atlassian.net. So as you can see, the site is already taken. So I'm just going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already taken. So I'm just going to enter voiceover testing demo 12. And as you can see, it is available, hence the green button is here, or the green check is here. So once you have already chosen the name of your site, just simply click on agree right here, and it will automatically lead you to this page right here. So next is we want to have a confirmation. So all you have to do is what's next here is what type of team do you work in. So you have human resources, finance, software developers, customer service, sales, IT supports, legal, operations, and marketing. So you can actually skip this question for now, or if you think that you can actually answer this type of question, you can actually select any of this things right here. So I'm just gonna skip this question for now. So what's your role? If you're a product owner, scrum master, business analyst, if you're the CTO, the program manager, the student founder, and others. So I'm just gonna skip all these questions. So this is up to you whether or not you want to pick any of this right now. So next is what are your main tasks? So these are multiple choices. You can actually answer one choice and another. So next, if you just select any of this, what are your main tasks for now? So for now, I'm just going to skip all of these questions right there. So basically, you need to select what are your main tasks in the group. So for now, let's just skip questions right about here. And next, it says 1 moment, please. They are processing our site. And when you are done with that, you can now actually select a template for your first project. So we have a lot of templates here. We have Kanban, we have Scrum, and Business. So I actually like Kanban, and as you can see, this is popular because it is a flexible and efficient way to manage agile work with a board and roadmap. So I'm just going to click on Kanban right here, but if you want to choose Scrum and Business, you can actually do that. So I'm just going to click on Next right here. And as you can see, we get to name our project. So I'm just going to select a project like VoiceOver Project 1. And next, all you have to do is to hit on Create Project right here. So next, we can now select some tools, and we'll help you connect them later. So you can actually select some tools to connect them like Slack, Microsoft Teams, GitHub, GitLab, Zendesk, Google Sheets, Circle CI, Sentry, and Jenkins. So if you don't want to do that, you can actually skip on this. But if you actually want to connect, you can actually select a tools right here and just hit on Next. So for now, let's just skip this part right here. And now we are going to the dashboard right here. So this is the JIRA dashboard, the Atlassian dashboard. So for now, I'm going to show you what we have currently right here. So this is the roadmap. Basically, this is the dashboard of JIRA software. So if you want to create an issue right here, like for example, what needs to be done, like for example, make a voiceover about a motivational video. So you can actually do that. And as you can see, if someone will actually do this, the progress will be shown, and once it is done, this particular to-do issue will be in the done list right here. So that's basically it. And next, if you want to add some people to your group, all you need to do is click on Add right here. So just click on Add People, and just type the name, the group, or the email address that you want to add. So for example, if I want to add someone like this, and it will actually type right here, and the roles are project roles aren't editable on the free plan, so upgrade for advanced team configuration. So if you want to have multiple roles in your group, all you have to do is to upgrade them to a plan. So just click on Add right here, and if you are done with that, this certain type of people will be notified. So as you can see, you've added this particular email to your project. You'll see them on board once they've been assigned to an issue. So next, this is the board, and next I'm going to go to roadmap right here. So basically, this is all of the roadmaps or all of the issues that we have currently on the board. So if you want to create an epic right here, like what needs to be done, so for example, create a voiceover about a fitness video. So you can do that, and now once you have done that, you can now actually select the date that whether or not when you want them to actually finish the project. And now that's about it. And the development, under codes right here, you can have visibility into your team's work from issue to code. So you can create an automated DevOps workflow and minimize context switching between JIRA software and Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab, and other source code management tools. So if you want to do this, you can actually connect to Bitbucket right here and connect to other providers. So they will simply give you a code so you can actually start managing the workflow of your projects. So next is these are the project pages right here. So as you can see, capture your team's knowledge and improve the way you get work done. So if you want to do this, you can just actually try this template in Confluence right here. So this is basically the in the Confluence type of your page. So you're on the free plan, so I'm just going to click on Get Started right here, and it will automatically lead me to this other page in quite a while. So as you can see, it says hang on, robots are working on it. So this may actually take a lot of time. So basically, this is the Confluence site right about here. So next is if you want to add a shortcut, you can actually add a shortcut like a link to a frequently used resource like a web page or a repository like a Bitbucket or GitHub repository to show information about branches, commits, and pull requests in JIRA. So you can actually add this if you actually want them to do. Next is let's go to dashboards right here. So under dashboards, this will be a dashboard to track status of your project. So you can actually create a dashboard right here, let's say you name the project like voiceover and the description of the project, and the viewers, you can actually filter the viewers on who you want the viewers to have. So that's basically it again. And next is the filters. So you can actually search for issues across all projects and save them as filters. So if you have a lot of issues on your projects, you can actually search for them, search for a particular issue. So they will view in the filter option right here. And next is the team. So you can actually invite people to JIRA, or you can create a team right here. So if you want to invite the people, just basically, we have done this recently, so you can actually type on the email team result, or you can add them from Google, Slack, or Microsoft. So that's basically it. And if you want to create a team, just click on create a team right here, and it will automatically say that, hey, what's your name called? So what's your team called? So let's just say team 1, and then you can invite up to 50 people at once. So you can choose people right here if you already have some contacts provided in your project. So just hit on create team, and now you are good to go. And next, under apps, you can now integrate a lot of apps, just like Slack, Big Picture, Atlas CRM, and just click on explore more apps to explore more apps, and that's good to go. Now under create, if you want to create a project, that's about it. Just select a project. So as you can see, we have already created a project right here, and the task right here, you can have a task or an epic. So for now, I'm just going to use a task right here, and to-do list, you can have in progress or done, though that's about it. And the summary, you can actually summarize what is the issue about, and you can actually have a description of the issue, and you can assign this particular issue to a teammate of yours if you already have some context within. And you can actually select some labels right here, and the reporter, you can actually assign a reporter right here. And if you have some attached files for your issue, you can actually click on the attached files right here, and that's about it. Next is to click on create, and now you are good to go. So that's basically it for this video tutorial. This is just a complete overview of how you can actually start using JIRA software for your project management tool. And if you have some questions, some comments, or even some suggestions, just feel free to comment it down in the comment section below. I would gladly help you out if you have some questions or some suggestions. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do find this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!